Hi everybody, this is Lavinia and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would just show you a short tutorial on how to check to see if you are a public subscriber, as well as if you wanted to change your subscription from private to public. For anyone who is subscribed to my channel, for the giveaways, they have to be a public subscriber, and that means that I need to be able to check to see that they are indeed subscribed to my channel. And I always triple check, and I apologize in advance for the shakiness of the camera. I'm just holding this with my hand. But the way that I check is, besides my email, I check my analytic page, but I also go to the person's page to see if I show up as part of their subscriptions. So for example, the way to do that is anyone can go to anyone's page, and then if you just click on this link that says channels, if you are not a public subscriber, nothing will show up here. So as you can see, there's nothing here. So in order to change that, you would go to your little picture icon, and then you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to settings. And when you click on settings, you are going to then go, let's see here, to the right, or pardon me, to the left, and click on privacy. And this is where you see the second, let me see if we can see it better here. It says keep all my subscriptions private, and you want to change that. So when you change that from blue, it turns to white, and then you're going to go back up to your picture, and you're going to click your channel, which brings you back to your channel. And then when you click on channels, see now everyone that I have subscribed to will show up here. So again, if you want to remain private, that's fine. And then maybe you just want to wait until right before I do the drawing. I usually tell you what day I'm going to be doing the drawing, so maybe the night before you might want to make yourself public. But again, you have to be public in order for me to, or in order for you to be part of my drawing giveaway. So again, in order to do that, you would want to go up to your picture, click on settings, and you would then go to privacy, and just ensure that where it says keep all my subscriptions private, that it's white and not blue. So I hope this helps, and I hope you subscribe. And if you have any questions on this, please feel free to comment in the section below. I will be doing some further giveaways. So again, I hope you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.